Smoke on, baby. This is my sous vide, smoked, and seared tri-tip. It's the only way to go. We've got some Brawl's Best garlic whip. This is not a binder. This is flavor babies being made in action. We got our sous vide made up at 132 on the temp. We're gonna go 9 hours and 40 minutes. We're gonna add an ice bath, get that ready so when our meat is done, look at that. The juice is there, just a little bit because all that moisture is inside. We're getting our ThermoWorks signals. I'm gonna watch it. Look at that temperature rise after the cook. Getting some Neil Syrup, tasty sear. We got some Trauma Hogs barbecue rub. We're gonna make our coating for our extended cook. We're gonna use our Knotty Wood BBQ Plum Pellets. Going on the Pit Boss because I'm the boss. Look at that meat stick. Gonna monitor our temps perfectly to 129 degrees. We're gonna go ahead and take that out, and then now that our tri-tip's done, this is the favorite part. We're gonna sear it with the Uke Burner 2000. I just love searing this meat. 3,500 degrees Fahrenheit at the sear. The Uke Burner 2000 does the best job of all, and it's done in no time flat. We're gonna sharpen up our Dow Strong carbon knife. Look at that. The crust is a must, and that top crust is all flavor. Edge to edge perfection. You will not get this on a barbecue, folks. I'm sorry. It is sous vide, smoking, and searing all the way to do tri-tip. This is California style. This is how it's been done. The finest tri-tip in the world, Wagyu. Look at that. The fat is delicious. You're gonna wanna eat that with the meat. It pairs perfectly. It's got that really, really rich flavor, and this meat is just melt in your mouth deliciousness. I hope you like this cook. Please subscribe for further dishes. And remember, this is the Scintillation State, and I'm your governor.